Welcome all. Thank you for watching my video. Today you going to learn lambda function in Python. What is lambda function? In Python, a lambda function is a small acronym function defined using the lambda keyword. This function can have any number of arguments but only one expression. That means simple and single line calculation. They are often used for short, simple operation where defining a full function with depth would be unnecessary. That means when we no need to use more than one line or complex function, then we can use lambda function. Otherwise, when we have to use long calculation, then we can use depth function. Syntax of lambda is you have to use keyword lambda, then you need to write a argument. Here you can put one argument or more than one argument. After that you need to give a colon and then you need to write expression. Arguments means input value, the function that function accept. Input values the function will accept, or whatever you send parameter or argument. Expression means single line calculation, a single line expression that is evaluated or return something. Let's go with example. We can there are more than one type of example. Simple lambda function, like we can add 10 number with any input, and for this we can write a name of the function, add underscore 10. Here add underscore 10 is not a variable, it treated as function. After that give equal sign and you need to use keyword lambda. After that provide argument or parameter x. Here x is a single parameter. Then give colon x plus 10. X means x is a variable, whatever or value whatever we pass through function during function calling, and it add with 10. Suppose during print we call the function add underscore 10 and providing the value 5 as a parameter or argument, then output will be 15. I am using here online compiler. You can use any IDE like Anaconda, Jupyter, IDLE or VS Code. I am simply copy this program from my slide. After that I am clicking on run for run the program. Then you can see output is 50. If I am change the parameter value from 5 to 7, you can give any value, then it show 7 plus 10, 17. Now you can see 17. Okay. So I am going to next example. Next example is lambda with multiple argument. That means you can use more than one. You can use more than one parameter. Here you can see A and B, that means two argument or two parameter. You can use more than one parameter. Here in expression, here the program is to add or this program is to product of two number. In parameter, actual parameter value is given 4 and 5. That means 4 stored to position wise A and 5 to B. After A into B, that this output will be 20. Next example. Next example, lambda inside a function. That is, we can use lambda function inside a function or inside a def function. In this example, def power is a function which take a argument n as a parameter, and use in this function returning a lambda function, return lambda x colon x star star n. That means we are going to calculate x to the power n. In using value of n, we can square, cube, and to the power anything. Square, that means square equals to this is calling of the power function. Square equals to power 2. 2 is the parameter. 2 is stored in n. And during calling of the square function, print square 3. That's square equals to power bracket 2. Square equals to power bracket 2. 2 stored in the power function n. That is 2 stored inside n. Whenever we write print square 3, here 3 stored in x, and output is 2 to the 3 to the power 2. Output is 3 to the power 2, that is 9. Cube equals to power 3. Here 3 stored inside n, and whenever we write print cube 2, here 2 stored inside x. So value output is 8. 8 means 2 to the power 3. Let's see common uses or common use case of lambda function. We can use lambda function during sorting. Here we are going, you can see sort a list of tuples by second element, not first element, that is 1 2 3, second element, that is sort by text. So I am writing here data equals to inside third bracket. Third bracket means, or state bracket means, you can you know that it is a list. First, inside first bracket means it is a tuple. Inside tuple 1 comma banana, 2 comma apple, and 3 comma cherry. That means list have the 3 element. Data sort is a function for sorting something. Here I am using a lambda function. Here I am using a lambda function. Key equals to lambda x colon x 1. 1 indicate here second element, that is banana, apple, and cherry. Banana, apple, and cherry, and sorting operation will applied on banana, apple, and cherry. And so whenever we display data, then after sorting, whenever we display data, output will be 2 apple, 1 banana, and 3 cherry. That means sorting is on text, that is second element. Apple is A to A, and it is sorting like A to Z. So you can see apple, banana, and cherry. Next use case is filtering with filter function. We try to get all even number from the list. Here given numbers equals to 1 2 3 4 5 inside list. Even is storing the even number in form of list. So we write events equals to list under first bracket, under first bracket filter. Filter is a function for filtering something, and here I am using a lambda function, lambda x colon x %2 equals to 0, x %2 equals to 0, here for sorting or filtering only even number. This is the condition for filtering even number, comma number means whatever we get the list from the number, or this is the list which is provided number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whenever we write print even, then we get the output 1, 2, 4, as because 2 and 4 is the only even number among the list. You can write this code in any IDE, Python IDE like ideally VS Code or any online Python compiler. Then you can see output will be 2 and 4 if we provide a list with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's going to the next use case, that is transforming with map. Here we use a map function in Python, and it is used to square each number. So here is the list numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we write like this: squared equals to list, under first bracket this is a function. Here map is also a function, and inside map we are displaying something or mapping something using function lambda x colon x star star asterisk asterisk 2, that indicate we square it the numbers, that is list. And whenever we write print square, then we get the output 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Okay, so this is the output. If you compile the code, if you run the code, then you can see 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. That is square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, and square of 5. Next use case example is combining with reduce function. From function, so first we have to import some package. From function tool, import reduce, compute the product of a list, that is we going to product the list, that is we calculate product of each element of the list. I am writing here product equals to reduce, under first bracket lambda is a function, x and y is the parameter, colon x into y and number. Print product, and product here display 24. 24 means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24. Keynote for lambda are as follows: lambda functions are limited to single expression, no statement, no multi operation. Lambda functions are mostly used for sort and disposal functions with return single statement. For complex functionality, you can use def function, and def is recommended for readability also. If you have any question, any query, you can go your in community channel, and there you can use discussion, question answer, and you can write your query there. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.